In this video, I'll demonstrate how to troubleshoot and fix sound problems during WhatsApp video calls on your iPhone, especially if your voice isn't heard or your friend can't hear you. To begin, open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and locate WhatsApp. Ensure that the microphone option for WhatsApp is toggled on. If it's off, turn it on to allow the app access to your device's microphone. If the issue persists, consider updating your WhatsApp to the latest version. This can often resolve compatibility issues that may cause sound problems. To update WhatsApp, open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for WhatsApp Messenger and select it. If an update is available, you'll see the option to update the app. If updating doesn't solve the problem, it's worth checking the physical components of your device. Visit a technician to inspect your microphone and speaker for any damage. If any components need to be replaced, this should resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix sound problems during WhatsApp video calls on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share if you found this video helpful.